I am going to talk about my future plans. First, I would like to tell you my plans as a person. I'm going to finish my degree next semester. Next year, I'm planning to study another language than English because I like it and think that it's important not only to get job but also to study in for a country. As soon as I will finish the English course, I will find opportunity to study my master degree about accountants in other countries like London, Australia, and United States. Second, I am going to have my hometown is in Bogota because it's great a countryside and close to the place where I study and where I work. On the other hand, as professional, if I want to to my own business, exactly I would like to create my own company in Bogota. I know it's pretty difficult, but I am determined I will do it. Finally, I dream with the world. I mean, I would like to visit a lot of countries in all four continents. I am going to know I love culture. It's amazing because a culture are two different. Two cultures are with and know beautiful lands and to meet a lot of people that in my life.